Hey guys, welcome to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this video, we are going to learn how to design this fidget spinner, fidget spinner in Onshape, and it will be pretty easy, guys. So let's jump into the tutorial without any delay. Okay. So first of all, let's go to the home and just going to home the working page, create a document. Let's name it as spinner and create. What we need is a four case, okay, and it should be like in a triangular shape. Okay, so first of all, let me try a simple representative sketch for this. I'm going to select the top plane, select the sketch, and draw a circle, and draw a simple circle again like this. Okay, so let me make it into origin. Now add another circle at the center as well. Now select this circle and the inner circle, make them into a tangent. Okay, and also select the both circles and give dimension to same. Now what I would do is let's give the dimension to the each circle. So for now I'm just going to give for this one, either one of the dimension is enough. Okay, let's see how much this one. This is 2. Okay, let's undo the operation. Now use the circle pattern, set the circle and keep it as 3 because we need only 3 gears for this. And now press OK. So this is the basic sketches we need. So I had drawn the sketch for making the position of the gears. Okay, so I'm just going to use the spaghetti feature script and move the origin to the top like this. So what are the dimension we have taken is 2 inch, right? So let's give the pitch circle diameter to 2 inch and increase the thickness to 0.5, or else you want you can increase the thickness as well. Okay, let's give as for example, let's give 1. Okay, and the gear should be helical and the angle should be 45 degrees. Okay, and give a center port. Let's make a hole. I'm just going to use 0.4. To put it small, let's give 0.5. Now press OK. So this is the gear we need. We got. So before that, let's move this gear to the equal position. Like, click on the transform tool, click on it, select the part, and translate by XYZ, and move down. So the both top view and down bottom view will be in equal. Okay, we need to move 0.5 distance because we give the 1 inch thickness, right? So half of to move it is okay, and click OK. Now show the sketch again. So what do we need this again? So we need another gear. We need 3 more gears for this. So for that, now I'm just going to use the transform tool again. Okay, click on it, click on the gear, and I'm going to sell this by made connector. Okay, and select the mate connector you from the inside of the sphere, okay, and from mate connector to this mate connector, and it got moved. And don't forget to click on copy path, so the first part will not get be affected. Okay, now press OK. We got two gears, but we don't want it in this position. It should be in right angle connected, right? So for that, I'm just going to re-edit the sketch and press line and draw a parallel line to this top plane. Okay, you just no need to connect, because if you disconnect it, the whole sketch will be get disturbed. Okay, then press OK. Now, what you do, let's select again the transform tool, select the part, and click on rotate option and press the draw line as the axis. So it will rotate and give the angle to 90 degrees. Now we don't want to get selected, and make sure it is following correctly. Yeah, in this direction is perfectly okay. Now press OK. Now we got the one gear. Now what you do is select the circle pattern, select the part, give action as a center origin, or you can also select the circle and give count to 3. Even you can also give count to 4, guys. This depends on your wish. So based on the size, you can improve the count. Okay. So here you can able to see according to the my dimension. 5 gear is very good enough. So for now, I'm going to do the only 3 gear. Now press OK. So we finally got the case. Now we need to draw the frame. So this is the more important thing. For now, just hide the sketch. This operation. Let's come to the right plane, because in the right plane only, this is the gear, it is parallel to it. So it will be easy for us to draw the sketches here. So we don't want the right plane. I want this case sketch face. Okay. Now draw the circle, because we need a frame, right? And give dimension which you want. Let's give, I'm going to give 1.2. And you can use tool and going to start this as a class and draw a line like this. I'll explain you why later. Okay, let's undo this operation because it got connected with something. Now give dimension to it. It should this space should be as much as small, because when performing the lock operation, it will be easy. So I'm just going to use 0.5, not enough, 0.6, okay, it's too much. Undo. Let's do 0.6. Sorry. Let's go to the 0.55. To the 0.56. That's fine. Now open the sketch. Now extrude it. Keep it as a new part, because it is a frame. Now give dimension up to how much you want. Here I given the 0.2 inch or else 0.1 inch. I'm just going to 0.1 inch because I increase the thickness of the gear. Okay. Now press OK. So fill the sketch again. Sorry. Extrude the inner one also. Now press OK. Now select the inner circle. Extrude it again. And change the axis. And merge to this part. And it is 1, let's give to 1.1 line. Okay, press OK. Now we got like this. So we need to draw another one like just like the same like the sketch on this face. Okay. Now select this third face. Select sketch option. Use the use tool for drawing the same sketch as faster. Now press OK. Now select this face and extrude it 2.2 right, and press OK. It should be 0.2. I think we need to increase this 1.2. Press OK. Yeah. Now, what do we need to do is we need a frame right here also. So for that, I'm just going to use the transform tool again. Select this part and this part. I'm going to use the ultimate connector from select the inner one. This made connector to this made connector, and see the parts are transformed to this one, this two, and press on copy part because we need this one here and there also. Okay, now press OK. Now here we need to do another operations, another transform operation. Why I'm performing this server transform operation means, guys, it is better to do the get the shape in the particle itself instead of performing different actions. Okay, select the transform tool again, press it. I just want to rotate this one and set the enter axis and change this direction to this one and give 45 degrees of turn. Okay, now press OK. And what you will do is I'm going to do the same for this one also. Going to rotate, but here 90 degrees we need to turn, not 90 plus 45 degrees. How much? 135 degrees. Now press OK. So here, why I asked you to do the small version is it is simpler to make the loft operation from here to here. So how you can do that? Just press the loft tool, select this face of part and this face of part, and you see they are connected. But you can see what are the part get connected is interacting, touching with the game because of it have larger area. To reduce that, let's keep OK. To reduce that, I'm just going to go to the previous sketch, this one, and edit it. Let's give to 0.59. Okay. Then the small is enough. Yes. Now they are enough, I think, but it's still catching because of they're touching each other. So for that, I have an idea. Right click on edit the loft operation and give the conditions to normal to profile on both, and conditions to normal to profile, and start condition as normal to profile. Then they are not going to touch the gear. See, they are not going to touch in an edge of this side, so it will not be affected too. Now we keep on add section and match with scope and set the parts. Now press OK. Now we got the shape. Okay, so we need to do the same operation at here as well. Click on the transform tool, select the part, on rotate, select the axis, and press 90 plus 45 degrees. Press OK. Do the same operation as well to the select this part, on rotate, select the axis, and give 135 degrees angle. You need to change the axis like this. Yeah, press OK. Now they are like the same how we did in the operation like here. So press the left tool, so let me put operation. Oh, sorry guys, here we did forgot to give the how much length is want, right? So let's keep to the right one. Here we did the mistake for this part, right? Add the extrude, and press OK. Let's hide this part for now. Let's find out whether the mistake we did here. Here we set the whole circle. Just unselect it. Yeah, press OK. Now they all get corrected, but here we got some like this because of the make connector. So for now, what have we shifted from this one to this one, right? Right. Delete. Press as well. Yeah. Now we perform the correction. Now let's do the locked operation again. To the locked operation and give end conditions to normal to profile. And press OK. So make sure it match with the connected parts. Okay. So what do we do now? Let's fill these gaps and just point Q5. So it will look straight. Let's give 6. Yep. Do the same as well. So on the sides of both parts. Press OK. Now add the enter fillet. Here give as much as point before, it should not connected. Let's give 0.4. Yeah, it's not touching. Let's give 0.3. Point is good to apply to the all edges of the parts. No. Okay. Or else instead of selecting all these, you can do operation by like this. The selection operation. Okay. So like this, you can simulate it. Now press OK. Now what do we need to do is to the circle pattern. select the both parts and give the cell this to center and give count to 3 and press add. So when you press add, the both all going to get meshed with it. So better to keep it deep, okay? Now apply the balloon operation to the 3 parts. And press OK. Do the same here. Okay. So, and the more thing is just increase this thickness because I just want to, because we should be able to hold it right. So in this position, I think we can get touch each other. So make sure you should increase this body. Instead of this texture, going to try single circle. View dimension about 1 inch. Press OK. And just extrude. Set this inner as well. Just watch the view and make sure how much it should be through. Yeah, 0.5 is better enough. Okay. Now press OK. I'm just going to do the mirror operation for this part. Yeah, I don't want to match. And keep pressing. Instead of doing multiple billion operations, let's click on drag to bottom. Okay. Edit this and missing the space sketch. Let's select any one of it and press OK. Here, like this, you can do the corrections. Okay. It's okay. Let's do the extrude. And this one. And this one. We got this one. Okay. Now edit the poly and connect this. Now edit this poly and connect this. Now you can do camper or fillet as much you want. This will you can set whatever you want, guys. Okay. I'm going to set the fillet and give to 0.1 and set this set the edges. It should be more. So let's give the 0.05. Yeah. Now set the same part as well. All they get like this fillet. Now the got fillet. Let's fillet this one as well. Now press OK. Now finally the helical gear fidget spinner is ready. Now let's do the assembly for this parts. Let's switch to the assembly. Insert parts from all parts studio and press OK. And it's going to fix one of the part. The gray part is going to fix it. And now let's move it. Let's add revolutionary to all parts. Click on revolute mate. Tell this face and tell this face as well. Press OK. Or else, instead of let's set the inner one. It's okay. Now to repeat the same operation, just connect this gears to the frame using revolute main. So press OK. Now we select finally connect the case. Now we need to connect the let's do the animation for this assembly by performing the gear relation to the teacher we would need. So what is the center? The center one is the second one to first one, and the gear relation ratio should be 1 because the both gears are in equal ratio, right? And now press OK. Let's see the animation. Yeah, no, they're okay, but you can see their gears are intersecting. So if you want to check the intersecting, select the both parts, right click, and you can check the interfaces. It will show like this, where the two parts are getting intersected. So I'm just going, I don't want this much of intersection. Let's move one of the gear and the drop down of mate connector. You can see the two mate connectors and delete one of it. Click on new and move how much you want. Let's watch it from before. Okay, let's give it 1.5. This much of intersection is needed because the gears should touch each other and move it, right? Then I press OK. Now do the same, make gear relation to the each of the gears. So you will want to remove 3. That's okay. Let's check the relation. Relation is okay, but now we need to edit. Just move to some of the angles. And that's 2.5, just like we given to the previous one. Okay. Now do the same. 2 to 4. That's okay. Let's see there touch, there too much in touching. Let's edit it. Let's watch the intersections. Right. Yeah. Press. Now the gears are connected perfectly. Now what to do? Let's pushing this one part to this. This way this to this part and press OK. Now the frame is completely ready. Now let's perform the animation. Let's go with this one. Right click and you can see the animate operation and do play. Now we have just perfectly done the fidget spinner with our helical case, and you can also able to 3D print this, guys. You can definitely do it. It's very easy. You can see the animation how they are working with each other. You can see speed into 150 and check the speeds. Just like the video we have seen in our shorts. Okay. If you want to change the colors of this parts, you can also change it. Okay. Just do the rendering to this operation.